Hi everyone, in this example we have a mix between the definition of the first derivative and the chain rule. So you have f of 3x squared plus 5 equals to cube root of x plus 7 where x greater than 0. So here we have a composite of two functions. Pay attention for that. I will deal with the limit you want to find, which is limit f of 8 plus 2h minus f of 8 divided by 5h. Now, as a result from the first derivative, I will write the limit again. Limit f of 8 plus 2h minus f of 8 divided by 5h when h goes to 0. Now by compare this limit by this definition or the result from the first derivative, you will see that the coefficient of h up equals 2 and the coefficient of h down equals 5. So if we have m up and n down, the answer will be m over n times f prime of a. So by comparing, this limit equals to 2 over 5 f prime of 8. Now you have to find f prime of x firstly. Pay attention here, we have function inside f. So you have to find the derivative of the inside function by the chain rule, then you have to derive the outer function. So on the left hand side, the derivative will be 6x multiplied by f prime of 3x squared plus 5 equals the derivative of the right hand side, and right hand side is a cube root, so we can write it as a power. Firstly, x plus 7 to the 1/3, then you can start the derivative, and the derivative of power using power rule is 1 over 3 multiplied by the same function to the power 1 over 3 minus 1 multiplied by the inside function. So 6x f prime of 3x squared plus 5 equals 1 over 3 multiplied by x plus 7 to the negative 2/3. Now you can write this expression down because we have a negative exponent, and we will get that 6x f prime of 3x squared plus 5 equals 1 over 3 times x plus 7 to the 2/3, and we can write it as radical as cube root of x plus 7 squared. Now you can divide both sides by 6x to get the last formula for the first derivative. So f prime of 3x squared plus 5 equals 1 over, now you have to divide 6x both sides, you will get 18x multiplied by cube root of x plus 7 squared. This is the last formula for f prime. Now we'll go to another discussion and how to find our limit, because our limit equals to 2 over 5 multiplied by f prime of 8. So you cannot substitute x equal 8, because if you substitute 8 you will get f prime of another number, not f prime of 8. So you have to put the inside function 3x squared plus 5 equals to 8 to get the value or the suitable value of x. So put 3x squared plus 5 equals to 8. Subtract 5 from both sides, you will get 3x squared equals to 3 divided by 3 both sides, you will get x squared equals to 1. Then you will get two values of x. The first value is -1 and the second value is 1. Now, -1 is rejected. Why? Because we have the domain x greater than 0. Because -1 is not greater than 0, so only you have to replace x equals to 1 to get 8 inside. And hence, using the formula of f prime, you will get f prime. You have to replace x equals to 1. So you get f prime of 8 equals 1 over 18 multiplied by x, which is equals to 1, multiplied by cube root of 1 plus 7 squared. By simplifying, this is equals to 1 over 18 times cube root of 8 squared, and 8 squared equals to 64, which is equals 1 over 18 multiplied by 4, which give us that f prime of 8 equals 1 over 72. So our limit equals to what? Our limit equals 2 over 5 multiplied by f prime of 8. So you'll get 2 over 5 multiplied by f prime of 8, which is 1 over 72. I will use calculator to find the answer. Times 2 over 5. That gives us 1 over 180. So this is the final answer of our question. And that's it. Thank you.